Mandya constituency, located in Karnataka, is gearing up for the Lok Sabha election scheduled for April 26, 2024. This electoral battleground sees a fierce competition between seasoned politicians, with JDS Nikhil Kumaraswamy and star Chandru vying for the seat previously held by the independent candidate Sumalatha. Known for its significant Vokkaliga and Kuruba communities, Mandya's political landscape is deeply intertwined with the dynamics of caste dominance. In the 2019 general election, independent candidate Sumalatha Ambareesh emerged victorious with a staggering 7,03,660 votes, defeating prominent contenders like Nikhil Kumaraswamy of the JDS and another independent candidate, ML Shashikumar. The 2018 by-election saw LR Shivaram Gouda of the JDS clinching victory, followed by BJP's Siddaramaiah. Rewinding further to the 2014 general election, Congress Ramya secured the seat with tough competition from CS Puttaraju of the JDS. Mandya, with 8 Vidhan Sabha segments, boasts a rich political legacy since its establishment. Historically, it has been a stronghold for various parties, with the Janata Dal secular emerging victorious thrice, followed by the Janata Dal twice and the Janata Party once.